Today in this video learn how to place a design in bag. Let's start by rectangular marquee tool and select the design. Then going to edit, copy, merge. Create a new layer. Disable the design and selection. To shortcut Ctrl D. And going to filter vanishing point. Create a grid each face of the bag. Once you create, then press Ctrl B key on the keyboard. Paste the design and transform the design. Press OK when you are done and change the blending mode to multiply, which will remove the white and leave the black areas of the design. You have to place this side, then same process. This is my final result. Thank you for watching. Keep creating, keep exploring.